Hello guys, welcome to TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some very interesting recruitment updates. The first one is actually a bulk recruitment update from TCS. So TCS is nowadays hiring for a lot of different category. They are hiring for BB Tech, MEM Tech, MCA, MSc. That is one category of recruitment. And then they're hiring for MBA. And then again, another recruitment update coming from TCS for BCA, BSc and BVoc. And all these updates are active. And we are going to discuss about these updates, and also we'll be discussing about the recruitment updates from Planet Spark. So we'll be discussing two recruitment updates from Planet Spark. The first one is for customer support executive and the second one for sales interview expert. So talking about the TCS recruitment, so this is actually for people from 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches. So all the latest graduates in the finalists and pre-finalists, they are calling for. But the other category of people, they don't have to worry because I have come up with other set of updates, which is from Planet Spark for you guys. And that is for the post of customer support executive and sales interview expert. So we are going to see all these details in today's video. So please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first set of updates that we are going to see is from TCS. The first update is for BB Tech category. BB Tech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc, and the year of passing they are calling for is 2020 and 2021. Means freshers and final years are eligible here. So this is a TCS off-campus hiring for 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay, so here you can be from any branch, any stream is eligible. Okay, you should be from BB Tech, MEM Tech, MC, MSc. That is the only requirement. Any stream is eligible to apply. Okay. Now, what you have to do here is you have to go to TCS Next Step portal, and directly you can click here and you can go to that page, and then you have to register and apply for TCS off-campus hiring. You have to register now if you are a new user, and you have to select the category as IT, and then you have to apply for the drive. That is the application process. In case if you are facing some troubles, they have actually given a helpline number also that I'll be sharing with you shortly. And here the registration end date is 15th of November. There is enough time, but don't wait till that. Okay, so all the BB Tech, MEM Tech candidates have to follow the first link which I'll be putting in description. So here, by following that link, you have to apply. Okay, and the second update is for MBA. So again, TCS looking for MBA category. And the year of pass out they're calling for is 2020 and 2021. Also, the 2022 candidates are eligible here. So 3 years of pass out, 2020, 21 and 22. So final years and pre-final years are eligible here. Here the last date to apply is 9th of November, and the test date they have not announced. Okay, so here what you have to do here is you have to again go to TCS Next Step portal, and directly you can click here and you can go to that portal, and then just go to TCS MBA hiring and then click and apply, that is register as a user, new user, and again you have to select IT category itself, and then you have to apply. Okay, so there is actually two options available. You can either give the test from your home itself, provided that you have a good internet facility at your home. Otherwise, if you don't have a good internet facility, you can go to a nearby test center for TCS and you can give the test there. Okay, now if you are having some problems in applying, you can just reach out to them through this mail ID, or you can use this toll-free number. Okay, so in the previous case also, if you are having any doubts or any problems, just note down this number or this mail ID and then just contact them if you are having some troubles or some problems while applying. Okay, so this link, which is the second link, will be for MBA category. Okay, and the third one is for all the BCA, BSc and BVoc candidates. Again, they are calling for people from 2020, 21 and 22 batch. Okay, here all the BCA category and BSc people for from the branches maths, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, biochemistry, computer science, IT, all the streams of study are actually eligible from BSc, and also BVoc, computer science and IT. Okay, so you should be a student who is passed out in 2020 or 21 or 22. Okay, so this is actually called TCS Ignite, and here the last date to register is 2nd of November, and the test will start from 19th of November onwards. Okay, so here what you have to do is they have actually given the steps to apply here also. Here again the application steps that you have to follow is same. You have to go to the TCS Next Step portal, register as a new user, and you have to select the category as IT and then apply. Okay, again you can give the test from your home, or you can choose an option to give the test in the nearby test center. Again they have given the assistance or the help desk number. Okay, so this set of updates which is from TCS, there's actually a bulk recruitment happening, and it is for all the 2020 pass out, 21 and 2022 pass out candidates. Now, the other category of people who is passed out in 2015 or 2016, all the category of people can look forward to the Planet Spark recruitment updates. The first one is for customer support executive. So the first post is for customer support executive. Here they are asking for 0 to 5 years of experience. So if you're a fresher, also if you're having maximum up to 5 years of experience, you can apply. This is a work from home job. So you don't have to travel, you don't have to relocate. You can work from your home itself. Do you know that a lot of companies offer you job based on only your skill and talent, and they don't look for your educational backgrounds or your college details? So today I'm going to introduce to you a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. Here you can get your dream job and your dream package. 200 plus leading companies like Meesho, Urban Company, Upgrad, Razorpay, etc. Also, a lot of startup companies are hiring through the platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here, this process is completely simple and there's no registration fees. What you have to do is you have to register here for free, and then the next thing you have to do is book a test slot. And after booking the test slot, you have to give a test, and if you get a good score in the test, you will be hired by the dream companies and you can get a salary package up to 25 lakhs per annum as a CTC. So this is actually a big opportunity for a lot of people out there, especially for freshers, and also if you are interested in having a job switch. Okay. Today, I'm going to specifically share two company names with you. The first one is Code Nation Innovation Labs. They are actually a very famous company and they're offering a CTC up to 29.5 lakhs per annum. And the headquarters is Bengaluru. And the second company is Home Valley Consulting Private Limited. And they're also offering best, there is a salary which is best in the industry. And the headquarters is Mumbai. So you can also find a lot of other companies, not just these two, but a lot of other unicorns, big MNCs and startup companies you can find through this platform which is called Reel. Also, if you would like to know about the success stories or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Okay, so this is a customer support job. This is a BPO kind of a job, voice process. Okay, so you have to actually contact the customers. You have to find solutions to their queries. You have to answer to their questions. That is the nature of job. Okay, so you need to have an excellent communication skill in English and Hindi. And if you're having knowledge in additional languages, like if you're having some knowledge in Telugu or Marathi or any other languages, that will be an added advantage. Okay, so this is actually a calling process. That is customer calling, that is voice process. So you have to assist the customers through voice, that is through calls. Okay, so that is the job of a customer support executive. So if you are interested, you can directly fill up this application form and you can apply for this job. Okay, so the fields that is you have to fill up is very simple: name, phone number, email ID. Then you have to reason why you want to work in this firm and what is your interest. Then you have to upload your resume and then submit. Okay, so that is the first post for customer support executive. Any batch of pass out can apply here, any stream, any graduation. Okay, the next post is for sales interview expert. Here they're saying the experience is 0 to 7 years. There is totally 5 vacancies. So this is an interview expert job, means you have to take interviews. So you are going to interview the sales associates. So here in the Planet Spark, they hire salespersons and you have to take interview of that salesperson. That is the job. Okay, so they have actually given the roles and responsibilities in quite detail. Take up to 15 video based interviews daily for sales associate, and you have to take video interviews for the onboarding process. That is the job. Okay, so you have to actually hire 100 plus sales executives, that is sales associates, in a month, and that is going to be your job. Okay, so what are the behavioral attributes that they are looking? A keen desire to drive sales hiring for the fast growing startup. Okay, so you have to actually concentrate more on the hiring process. You will be doing the hiring. So you have to have a keen desire to work in that field. Okay, so that is the nature of job. Other than that, you need to have a good communication skill. You need to be having a positive attitude. That is the only requirement here. So that is the second post. These links I'll be putting in description separately. Okay. So that's all for today's update. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. So we have actually come up with two sets of updates in this video. The first set was for TCS recruitment and the second set is for Planet Spark. So all the category of people are eligible here. All year of pass outs are eligible for this video. So I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please make sure that you like the video, share the video with your friends. Also, if you want to see more of this content, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.